Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So here I am with Sagittarius for the month of March 2021. Let's see what Sagittarius have. Let me remove the cards. Lot of transformation going on. Lot of transformation going on for Sagittarians. I feel they are being too much into themselves, maybe transforming themselves into being what they wanted to be, right? Their work is changing for sure. Their near future will get them a lot of offers, and the first week of March is coming with an offer at work, and it will come through a friend or a colleague. There is some offer coming your way which will give you a lot of satisfaction at work. The first week, the second week, whatever you wanted, this is the opportunity I wanted. That is what you're going to get in the second week of March, Sagittarians. And then in the third week, you will actually have that money in hand which you were waiting for so long to earn, and make a saving or do something out of that money very, very useful. Okay. And in the fourth week of March, again, there's a lot of creativity surrounding you, a lot of new beginning, lot of amazing opportunities also more coming your way, right? But the bigger opportunities will come in the second week of March. The first week again offers a lot of emotional bonding, lot of friends, lot of colleagues, lot of good energies, right? Also work opportunities. The second week again a bigger, exactly what you wanted, Sagittarians, you will get in the second week, and the third week you'll have money in hand. Money which was not coming up till now will start coming, and the fourth week you are going to begin into some kind of creativity or maybe a new beginning, sort of a another smaller opportunity than the second week, but there will be an opportunity. I think it's a very good reading, and there's a lot of good transformation happening for Sagittarius, isn't it? A lot of young energy also. I feel it surrounds month of March is more of energy, more of doing something impulsively. Very nice, very also very stable. Let me tell you, also very stable. Let's see what we have in your relationship, Sagittarians. I like this reading. So simple and amazing. Amazing for Sagittarius. So let me see what we have for you in your relationships. Wow. So relationship, I feel, is all depending on you having faith over relationships. Sorry. It's not about trust. It's not about. It's more about not trusting people. It's all about trusting the divine. Okay, there's a lot of blocked crown chakra energy, and there is a lot of overthinking happening in your relationship, a lot of not trusting the divine giving you the right thing. Okay, if you are in a relationship or wanting to be in a relationship, if you're wanting to be in a relationship, please open up. You need to open up to it. You need to open your heart, and you need to take a step, which you are in the month of March. You are opening up, giving and receiving. So the more you give in a relationship, you will get it back. If you're not ready to give, you will not get it. Let me tell you, if your relationship is not doing well right now, and if you're not ready to take a step and give, you're not going to get back what you want. You're thinking and contemplating what to do. Which should I take, this choice or that choice, or should I go ahead or step back? Should I move on? Because there are a lot of thinking going on. But let me tell you, you are going to take a lead in a relationship, and you are going to make it better. So if you are already married or in a relationship, you will make it better with your partner. Or if you are wanting to be with someone else, you will take a step. So each one, whoever it resonates to, this will also apply for people who are into friendship, only friendship or maybe family. Any relationship is going to mend in the month of March. And that will happen only after you are thinking a lot, because you're already thinking a lot, right? What is good, what is bad for you. So you will weigh your options and you will go with your heart. That's what I feel, right? So it's a beautiful message, Sagittarius. In the month of March, you are going to take a decision about your relationship. Okay. Let's see what we have as a fairy message for you, Sagittarius. Oops. Okay. Red message. Autumn. Autumn just went. Okay. In the fall season, everything seems to come together. You recap wonderful harvest of abundance. So maybe whatever you are wishing for right now will come true in the month of winter. Let me read one message. Take care of your diet. If you're dieting too much, do not diet too much. Eat healthy food, eat fruits, vegetables. Some ways as James, you're not taking care of diet. And sometimes, we don't understand one thing. If we are not taking care of a diet, we are not even manifesting well. That is connected. Food is connected to our mind. So whatever we eat, if we are overdoing it, we need to do it less, and we need to balance and eat a proper balanced diet so that we think properly. Right? So that's all. I hope you like my reading. Please comment in the comment box. Let me know what more you want. I read all your comments. Call me for personal paid appointments only. Email me for personal paid appointments only. And don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, share it with family and friends, and love me more by liking this channel and sharing it with everyone. Okay, so I will be making more videos and coming back next month. And you take care. Do go and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. 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 Bye.